Hello, Reinout Getreuer here at ELEQ Kerpen, the ELEQ factory in Germany. I'm Innovation Manager for ELEQ, and today I want to talk to you about our split core transformers. Here at ELEQ we have a charging point. It has been here for a longer time. It works perfectly fine, but the amount of electric cars at ELEQ, as at other places as well, increases. And this means that we are planning additional charging points to be installed. Well, that's all perfectly fine. But if you need load balancing for these additional points, certainly indirect, you need a current transformer. You need a device to measure the current. Well, that's where ELEQ can help you, because ELEQ has split core transformers that you can retrofitly install, are very compact, and can help you with load balancing. So if you can help you, please let me know. We are always eager to help. Have a good day.